like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it.
Okay. I'm currently chasing the sun. We're gonna see what we could get right here. Oh man. Let's see. I'm gonna steal this light right here. And we can take some right here first. Okay. Un, deux, trois. Ah. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, this looks good. 1, 2. Perfect. One, two. Okay, perfect. You want to sit here? One, two. Ooh, ooh, my knees, my knees. All right, 1, 2. Perfect. Ooh. We are running for the light right now because it is coming down. But we got some nice light coming in this direction. And we have, after 2 years. Yes! Okay, so I'm gonna have you kind of here, and you could kind of give me like more exaggerated, boom, boom. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, perfect. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. 1, 2. And let me see, I got one-handed. Boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. That's it right there. All right.
Same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were
1, 2. Perfect. Okay.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yeah.
I can feel the beat on my heart. 'Cause it tastes like candy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I remember the night when you kissed me goodbye, and I
Perfect. This, let me see if we can bring it back just a little bit. Like right there. And that should work. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna get one more this way. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. This hand is, yeah. To get the perfect shot. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Let's back this all the way up. And it's pretty, this light is pretty bright, so I don't need that much power. So I gotta back this light up pretty far to get the shot. So that should work right there. 1, 2, 3. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Let's see what we got. Fire. All right, so now I'm putting on 75 with the crop. So this should give us even more amazing shot. So let's see. 2, 3. Okay, now you want to try to can you? Yeah, and hold, and hold. Okay.